It is advisable to service your vehicle annually, even if your annual mileage is between 3,000 and 4,000 kilometers. Although the general guideline suggests yearly servicing regardless of distance, there are several compelling reasons to adhere to this practice. Oil degradation. Engine oil can deteriorate over time, irrespective of driving frequency. Regular oil changes are essential for preserving engine performance. Fluid maintenance. Essential fluids such as brake fluid and coolant can absorb moisture and deteriorate, potentially leading to complications if not monitored. Tire condition. Tires may develop flat spots or lose air pressure due to infrequent use. Annual inspections can help ensure they remain in optimal condition. Battery performance. Batteries can lose their charge or develop faults when not regularly utilized. Routine checks can mitigate the risk of unexpected failures. Safety assurance. Consistent servicing allows for the early detection of potential issues, thereby ensuring the vehicle remains safe for operation. Warranty compliance. For vehicles still under warranty, adhering to a regular servicing schedule may be necessary to maintain warranty coverage. In conclusion, while extensive servicing may not be required for low mileage, an annual inspection is recommended to keep your vehicle in good working order. It is always prudent to consult your vehicle manufacturer's guidelines for the most accurate recommendations.